Let's go ahead and start unboxing this polygel and doing swatches. This is a kit that I purchased on Amazon. I already removed the seal and I'm gonna start directly with the swatches right now. The first one is like a nude color, very pretty. This polygel is nice and soft. It was very easy to work with today. The next one is clear. Clear is very useful for many things that you would like to do, like encapsulating. The next one is a gold glitter. Very pretty. Next one is a beautiful pink, and I love this pink one so much I'm gonna be using it in today's video. These tubes are 15 grams each. The next one is a peachy color. Next we have the white. White is very useful as well if you want to create Frenchies. I have to try to create Frenchies one day with polygel. The next one is another glitter. It's like a silver, it's very pretty. And the next one here is another glitter. It's more like on the reddish side or like a darker pink. It's very cute. And here are all the colors. They're very nice. And I'm gonna be creating Ducky nails today. Yay! And starting with peel-off base gel from my car, guys. This is a must for me because it's very easy to remove the nails when I want to. Since I'm creating content for YouTube, I need to be able to remove my nails easy. And this base gel needs curing, so I will cure this for 30 seconds and this will be my first layer. I want to show you how I created these duck nail tips because I don't have any. I'm using full cover tips from Betty Cora, and these are gel tips. First, I'm gonna flatten the nail tip as much as I can against the table here, and then I'm gonna measure into my natural nail how long I want this, making sure that that area is gonna be fitting the free edge, and I'm trimming the excess. And then I'm gonna be filing and making the area a little bit thinner to create like a well to be able to glue the nail tip to my natural nail. And they came out very good. It solves the problem that I had today, that I didn't have these nail tips and I wanted to create ducky nails. I'm curing this base gel for 30 seconds and I'm gonna be using these two colors for the design today. I'm gonna try to create an ombre and I'm using 91% alcohol as a slip solution for the polygel. I'm just gonna pour some on my little container here, and I'm using a brush that is not too soft or not too hard. It's just perfect to push around the polygel, and this polygel is actually very easy to work with. It's softer. I like softer polygels. I have tried Model 1's polygel before and that one is a little bit more stiffer. It was harder to push around. For polygel, guys, I prefer to cure one nail at a time because if you leave it sitting there, it will move out of place. I finished applying all the pink and I'm gonna finish the thumbnail. I cured the nails, but I think I should have done the ombre while the polygel wasn't cured yet. I think it's gonna be a little bit harder to blend now that that part is cured. Now I know for the next time not to cure the polygel and just do the ombre at the same time in one nail and then cure and then move on that way. But still I did the best I could. And I end up covering most of the glitter part with the design that I created for today.
Yo sé que te gusta. Sol, 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 sol. Yo sé que te gusta. Sol, 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 sol. Yo sé que te gusta.
And this is how the nails are looking so far. They're not looking too bad, but they do need some filing, so I'm going to wipe the sticky layer with alcohol. And then I'm gonna go ahead and reshape these nails the best I can and make them very ducky. I'm gonna be finishing the reshaping for all the nails, and I'm gonna show you one nail only for the drawing because I forgot to record the rest of the nails, but you will be able to see the final results in a few seconds. So I'm so sorry about that, guys. I forgot to record the other nails, but you will see how cute they came out for a ducky nail. this is the final result for today, guys. These nails came out really cute for Ducky. Actually, I've never tried this shape before, but I'm surprised that they came out so cute. I did get inspiration in Instagram, and I was just looking around to different designs, and I combined a few different designs that I saw on Instagram. That's always a good place for inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing, commenting, and liking if you do, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.